debate is so much has been said that how the Aadhaar is like the social security number in the United States. Is it actually like that? Would you give us details?
First and foremost, the problem is in the architecture of Aadhaar. When we began Aadhaar, it was a beta program, experiment program. Nobody thought of it that it's going to reach 1.2 billion people. So cyber security was never factored in. At best, they were only looking at security of the central identities data repository. But with the government now wanting to make it mandatory and different things joining up to Aadhaar, this entire ecosystem of Aadhaar lacks completely any elements of cyber security. And that's a fundamental problem. Today, even the Aadhaar Act does not even mandate the stakeholders in the Aadhaar ecosystem to take steps to preserve the cyber security. So that's a fundamental problem. Further, the kind of a rush that's happening in making Aadhaar mandatory at a time when the Supreme Court is seized of the matter is itself not in the right step in the right direction, and potentially the government could wait for the decision of the Supreme Court. As regards your last question, it's not just a social security number, it's much more bigger. In a country when you don't have data protection laws and you have your entire Aadhaar database up for grabs by cyber criminals, it's a very horrendous kind of a future that is awaiting those Indians whose Aadhaar database will be compromised, and they will have no remedy. Mind you, I'll close by saying that under the Aadhaar Act, you and I cannot even go and register an FIR once our Aadhaar is
All right, okay, gentlemen, what we're going to do is, all right, Narendra Taneja shaking his head. I'm sorry, sir. We've got to close.